Welcome to test animation class. In this class, we are going to be using test, which is the third button. Tap on test. It will bring you here. Now to manually type your test, you have to click on add test. With this key, you type your test manually. So you click on it and then you start typing what you want to write on the video. Like I used Ebubechuku, that is me typing it manually. Now you choose the font. I like using Fervent or Cornea. You choose the font. Now you go to style. Style is about color, how you want your color of the text to look like. You can choose from any of the custom color there. You can likewise manipulate the colors from here. You can choose your text to be another color, whether pink, mauve, or anyone. You can go to stroke, how you want the edges of the letter to look like. Any of the colors you choose here will be affecting in the letter you have typed. Go to glow. You want your letter to glow, or you don't want it, go to the background. Look at the color of the background. You can change the color of the background from the one that it already had. Then the shadow, if you want it to have a dark shadow or anything that you want it. Now curve, the curve does not work with text that have background, so you may want to change it to another type of text without background, and then you can make use of the curve. You can rotate it to any angle you want to. This is how you do it. Then the spacing is either spacing the characters or enlarging your text. Now you go to bold or italic. Anyone you choose, you may choose your letter to be bold, italic, or underlined. It depends on you. Now indicating whether it is capital letter, small letter, or capital and small letter. You can increase or decrease the size and opacity of the letter from here. You can see how it is affecting this. Now the second thing I want us to look at is text to speech. In text to speech, you have to type text, you have to write what you want it to convert. Advisable that you type in English and then you choose any of the voices that you prefer.
Your Mercy's indoors forever.
And then it will have to read it out for you without you reading it out by yourself. So this is a new feature and it is more like using AI.
And your Mercy's endures forever.
Reading out the letters you have on your screen. We have so many of the choices you can make from here and it will just do it. Now the next thing is animation. Animation is choosing how your letters comes in, how your words comes in, or how it goes out. We have the in, out, and loop. So in the in animation, I normally make use of typewriter. Yes, you can check it and see how it goes, and this is where you increase or decrease how fast you want it to be coming out or going out. So that is it for animation. In select, a selection is you want to delete a particular text, or you want to select a particular text you want to delete. That you can delete one or two of it. Now to basic is you want to change the position of your text. If you are changing it, or the scaling, whether you want it to be big or small, the position, or you want to rotate it. That is what you do in the basic. Now to layers is more like you used a sticker and a text, and you want the text to come in front of the sticker to make a good look. Now you can use here to send the letter to the back or send it to the front. As I will always say, CapCut is creativity. You have to apply creativity in using CapCut. Now the next thing is duplicate. Duplicate is you want your text to be two. Click on it and it will duplicate it. It will make it two. The next one is long lasting text. This, once you click on it, that particular text will exist from beginning to the end. Now to effect is choosing the color or a type. You can explore it. There are so many kinds of effects you can use. Same with bubble. Bubble is an already existing template you can use for picture drama or any discussion templates. Yes, then tracking, you want your text to follow the camera as it's moving. You can track it. As you can see, this one is dancing and is following the movement of the camera. Now that is it for tracking. The next thing I want us to look at is stickers. Stickers is used for illustration. You can see the ones I'm using for here. You can see the arrows, the flowers, the subscribe buttons. This is where you get all those things that we use. Both the subscribe button, the arrows, the pointers, the like and the subscribe button, the follow button. You can click on plus image to get stickers from your gallery. You can choose any of the photos you can use for stickers. So that's what we have for stickers. And auto caption. Auto caption this is the major one. You can generate auto caption. You don't need to stress yourself. Here you need to select the video. That's what we are working with. We're not working with audio, it's only video. Select the animation you want it to come out with. We are going to be using this one. Select it will load, then click on generate. When you click on generate, in less than 1 minute it's going to generate your caption automatically. You don't need to type it. You're going to be coming out on its own. Now you can click on edit caption to edit the captions. Whether it make a mistake, just click on edit caption and you go to the particular place it makes a mistake, you adjust the mistake, just delete it. Click on any of the words or any of the statements it made a mistake and write it. That's why when you speak English, our English is not really fluent, so there's possibilities that there will be mistake. Now aside that, these are things we have filters. We have the duplicate, delete, text to speech. Now to test templates, this is where you choose an already made template to write your title. Once you click on it, you will see already made templates. You don't edit this one, like you don't change their colors or things. You just go there, click on select the one you want to use, and then only what you can do is to change the text right there, like this one. You select it one by one. We click on the 5, change it to 3, click on best, change it to editing, click on build, and then trick. That's what you use this one to do. Then to auto relics. Auto relics is more like auto caption. It works the same way, but it works best with audio. Just same procedure we use to generate auto caption. That's how you can use to generate auto relics. Then the last one is draw. In draw is just where you want to freehand sketching. You want to sketch or you want to add something by yourself. So you can just choose the color of your pencil and the size of your pencil and then write on there. So this is all we have for text animation on how to write on your video. So I hope this blessed you. Make sure you always delete the ending parts so you practice. See you in the next class. Bye.